Want to feel healthier, more energetic, and improve your life every single day? Today, I'm sharing 7 simple habits that anyone can start right now to stay healthier, without crazy diets or gym marathons. Drinking enough water is the easiest way to boost energy, improve skin, and help your body function optimally. You don't need a gym. Even 30 minutes of walking, stretching, or light exercise improves heart health, mood, and metabolism. Focus on vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and lean proteins. Avoid processed foods as much as possible. Sleep is your body's reset button. Adults need 7 to 9 hours for energy, immunity, and focus. Chronic stress affects your body more than you realize. Mindfulness, journaling, or short meditation sessions can reduce stress hormones. Too much sugar can lead to weight gain, fatigue, and inflammation. Focus on whole foods instead. Your mental health affects your physical health. Writing down 3 things you're grateful for daily improves mood and overall well-being. Extra habits for maximum health. Take short breaks during work to move. Get sunlight every day. Stay socially connected for mental health. Start with just 1 habit today and build from there. Which habit are you trying first? Comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more practical health tips every week.